Have you ever worried about your eyebrows? A Japanese girl pointed it out that, "Oh, Anna, your eyebrows look like caterpillars," and I felt so embarrassed. Hello everybody, it's Crystal and thank you for watching my channel today. It's literally one of the hottest days of the year. Summer has just started. Full of ice, super refreshing. Hey. For a lot of girls, it's so important to maintain their eyebrows, and
for me personally, my eyebrows grow super quickly and I feel like every other day I have to pluck them.
I have to shave them or whatnot. When I was in high school, actually, so in 2006, I went to America in New York State
for my junior year in high school. So I went there and I looked completely different because, I mean, not too different, but I looked different enough, you know? I guess mostly it was because of my eyebrows were so bad
that I didn't even know they were bad, but at the same time, a Japanese girl pointed it out that, "Oh, Anna, your eyebrows look like caterpillars," and I felt so embarrassed because even if I knew a little bit of English, not too much at that time, I was so embarrassed to be called a caterpillar because of my eyebrows. So I felt super conscious, but then I'm like, what the heck, I don't really care. No, I did care inside, but at the same time, like, I don't really know how to do my eyebrows. I don't know what to do with them, so I'm just gonna wear my glasses and pretend like nobody is looking at them, right? So fast forward a few years, I went to college and I felt that I needed to take care of them. One of the ways was to get them done nicely, but when I moved to Paraguay, I guess I didn't have a car, B, I didn't speak the language, C, I just felt kind of embarrassed to go into a shop without, knowing a lot of the language. So I guess I started to really take care of my eyebrows after a while here in Paraguay. So then today I'm going to show you how to pluck them and kind of like cut them and stuff like that. So this is how I do it. You need a tweezer. Mine is a stainless one. And then you need little scissors, a brush. Eyebrow. The first thing you want to do is to brush your eyebrows like this, up to know the shape that you want to shave your eyebrows into. This darker eyebrow pencil that I usually don't use, I'm going to draw out the lines that I am going to try to shape my eyebrow into. So the line is what I'm trying to fill in. If you look at my eyebrows, they are kind of like long here, right? So I'm going this way, outer face. So have this scissors outside, touch your eyebrow area and tick, tick. If the downside is not touching, then your power is going to your hands going to wobble, so you need it to touch the surface, this is what I learned from sewing class. When you're cutting the fabric also, you need a surface to hold this scissors in. I'm going to brush again. Use my small mirror. So I pluck from the front. I feel like people like me, I have unibrows right here, so I have a lot of hair right here. Oh my god, it's so gross. I have a lot of hair here. I feel like, some people. So this is the one that I did, and this is undone. So do you guys see the obvious difference between this one and this one? A lot more cleaner, and yeah. So I think the best time to shape your eyebrows or pluck your eyebrows would be in the afternoon or at the nighttime, because in the morning I feel like I can feel it more, the pain. For this eye, again, draw the lines carefully of the eyebrows while looking at the other side to evenly draw the line. Looks good. And now cutting the excess and brush the hair off. Plucking one by one, one by one. Oh my god, this takes forever. But all of the hard work is going to pay off. So just keep going. So I think we're done. Ta-da! So now I'm going to actually clean my face and then apply some makeup, like a base makeup, and do my eyebrows for you guys. 1 second, 1 second. Now I have completely washed my face and put some toner. My eyebrows are a lot better than before. To put some foundation on this area, kind of like make the surface matte. You know how I drew my eyebrow guideline with a darker eyebrow pencil, black bean eyebrow pencil? Is usually always going to use this light brown, darker color hair, so I'm going to use a lighter color to not make it look so dark, right? Upwards. Now I have some kind of decent eyebrows. These are super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it too. You. High school, you who could be in college, you who you could be working, you could be mom like me. If this helped you in any way, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.